Hi there, today I'll show you how to get the best adult apps to your Firestick in 2025. The apps are totally free to use and really easy to set up. And without any further ado, the first step you gotta take is getting the app called Downloader to your Firestick. And you can get Downloader free of charge from your official Amazon App Store. Just go to search on your device and start typing Downloader in the search. And as you can see now, Downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. We click on it, and there's the app that you gotta get to your device. But now, after you got Downloader, it's not over yet, because you still need to set it up. So now, to set up Downloader on the Firestick, you will go to Settings by clicking this little button with a gear icon, then you go to My Fire TV and open it up. And now from here, what you have to do is turn on developer options on the Firestick. But on some Firesticks, and especially on the new Fire TV Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry because it's pretty easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you'll have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote and do it fast. So let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom, it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it will say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options now. So you have to open them, make sure to turn on the ADB debugging. After that, go to Install Known Apps. And from here, you just need to locate Downloader and turn this option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now, finally, we go to the list of apps on your device, which is located right here. Let's open it up. And there's the Downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your Firestick. But before actually using Downloader, there is one more thing which I always recommend doing. And it's, of course, connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast. They got a great app for Firesticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In a VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say we'll connect to Czech Republic, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online. And that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below the video or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Firestick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use Downloader safely. So we go back to the list of apps on your Fire TV Stick and finally start up the Downloader application. And now in here, all you have to do is open the search bar and start typing in the codes. So the first code will be 4387113. So once again, it's 4387113. That's the first code you have to enter, then just click on go. And while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel, so you would get even more content about Firesticks. As well as please hit the like button below this video. It really helps me a lot. And now as you can see, the file got already downloaded to the Fire TV stick. Then you just have to click install and make sure that the app gets installed to your Fire TV. And after that, don't click on open yet, instead click on done, because this way you get an option to delete the installation files, as you don't really need them anymore on your device. So just click on delete and then delete once again. This way you get rid of the unnecessary files from your Firestick and save yourself some free space on your device. And that's really important, because by default your Fire TV stick does not really have too much of free space available anyway. And now if you go to the list of apps on your Fire TV stick device, you will open it, and here at the bottom you will find the first app that we have downloaded for you. So now first of all, I will recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. You click on it and then press on move to front. This way, the app will always be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it's gonna be pretty easy for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep the VPN connected to stay safe and totally anonymous online. And after that, you can use the app, but in my case, I will go back to downloader because I have to show you how to get one more amazing app to your Firestick device. So we just go back to the loader, erase the previous code as it is not needed for us anymore, and now we'll be entering another code, which will be 572 and then 048. So once again, it's 572048. That is the whole code we will have to enter. Then just click on go. And now the download of the second app should start, and you already know how this process works. So just wait a bit for the download to start. And there you go, the file is already downloading. So let's make sure it finishes. Then just click install. And now the second app will finish installing. After that, click on done and make sure to delete unnecessary files from your device. And now when you go back to the list of apps on your Fire Stick, you will find this second app which we installed to your Fire TV stick. So put it up front as well, and now you got 2 amazing adult apps on your Fire TV stick device. Enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.